My wife and I, we lived close to Campus Corner, and we kind of saw there was a hole in the market. And we always wanted to open our own business, and we were like, well, it'd be nice if there was a place to just go get desserts, quality chocolate, things like that. And originally we were actually going to franchise. Franchise didn't work out. However, we were already well into the build out. So we just had to figure things out in our little kitchen on an electric stove. Yeah. And then since then, we've just kept growing and growing and growing until we had to move about 18 months ago to this location here on Main Street. My name's Scotty Jackson. I'm the owner and proprietor of Apple Tree Chocolate. Obviously, we make about 60% of the product here. We make things from scratch. We guarantee the products we make. Anything we bring in that's retail, we've tested it over the years, and we find it to be the best quality that we can get from other vendors. So you're gonna have a big variety. You're gonna find what you want. I think you're gonna have a really good experience too, because that's part of a candy store. You know, you're not just shopping online or something, which you can do for Apple Tree Chocolate, which we do ship too, but part of this experience, you wanna come in, you wanna taste test, you wanna try some fudge, you wanna try some caramel, we wanna do that with you. So I think we're now about 40,000 apples a year. So we make a lot of caramel apples. We actually represent like 15% of the Granny Smith apples sold in the state of Oklahoma. So definitely our caramel apples. Very proud of the recipe. It is literally perfect chemically too. Like has the exact right amount of proteins, fats, everything to make it to where it's that perfect texture. Our turtle apple is the most popular. We make 36 of those for every 5 we make of everything else. It's crazy how fast those things sell. And then also fudge is one of my other personal favorites. We made 7 tons of it last year. So we make a lot of it, but we always also make it in small batches. So we're making it constantly, but it's a lot of fun. It's a fun process, and it's also one you can sample anytime you're in store. You don't want to just do the usual thing when you're going on a date. You want to be having fun. And so you come in here, you get to talk with our staff, you get to ask questions, you get to try, because we sample all of our fudge, all of our gelato, all of our barks. So you're also not going to have buyer's remorse. You're not going to sit down and be like, oh, well, this isn't exactly what I wanted. So at Apple Tree, we're about a fun experience, a sweet experience. We want people to experience that more than once a year. It's not just Christmas time, it's not just Mother's Day, it's all year long. So come in, see us, and have a sweet experience.